very different video. I know I look really bad, but I just got done taking a shower, so. But today I am doing a Christmas edition room tour. My room is very decorated and I wanted to show you guys. I've never really seen very many people do something like this, so I thought it was kind of new and creative. And I just thought that all those out there who love decorations and Christmas like I do would really appreciate this video. So this is going to be a super short, cute video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you are new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next week. Oh, and also, the day this video is going up, yesterday was my birthday, so make sure you leave birthday comments down below. I will be filming a what I got for my 15th birthday haul, hopefully. And yeah, I love y'all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies!